All right, we are still here in Port St. Lucie, and I am management from I Am Sure Sports with Iain Sanderson.
That's right.
Right at MAKO Soccer Club and Academy. And Iain, just tell us a little bit about what you do here. What age group do you cover? Or at MAKO?
So I cover the U11 girls. That's the 2012 births. I've been here for about 5 years now. Worked with this age group for 3 of those, and did some with work with them in the pre-academy as well.
What is it? I mean, when you get a kid at this age, what
Yep.
is the ultimate objective in
So-
the player?
A lot of these kids have come straight out recreation soccer, so they don't have a great understanding of the game or the foundations for the game. So that's the most important thing, is giving them plenty of ball mastery, getting them comfortable with the ball, comfortable on the ball, because they can't do anything else with it until they know how they've got it and what they can do with it themselves.
Right. Well, in the United States, United States of America is the #1 female soccer nation, and that
Yeah.
has been for many years. They produce such quality, even for the Jamaican national
Yeah.
team. A lot
Yeah.
of our players have played in the college system here,
Yeah.
or were developed here.
Yeah.
I mean, what are some of the things that you believe that contribute to that steady flow of talent in the US system?
So I think, like you say, soccer's very popular out here, especially with girls. They've got some great role models. I mean, obviously for America, they've Alex Morgan and the likes have been blazing a trail for a while. But funny you should mention the Jamaican team. My daughter was watching the World Cup, and she was enjoying that. And I've seen some of the stuff the Jamaican guys are doing, and it's good. They're very strong players, and I think they've all got very grounding in the game.
Yeah, and you have also worked with boys,
Yep.
the same age group. What are
Yep.
some of the differences or some of the challenges that you have to deal with in coaching girls at that?
So I think so. The boys tend to know the game a little bit better. They tend to be a little bit more headstrong. They know what they think. They know what they're doing. Whereas I think the girls probably listen a bit better. Boys tend to be a bit more physical, although some of my girls not necessarily. But yeah, I think the boys tend to be more individualistic. The girls kind of buy into working more as a team together. And as I say, I think they at this age, I think the girls tend to listen a bit better.
And how many hours do these girls at this age get in terms of their development?
So we train 3 hours a week, official training. We also do some free play where we get them down here at the club, give them a soccer ball and get them into a game. And then I know some of the girls do private sessions, and they're out here on the fields with their brothers and their siblings and their friends, having a kick around as well. So, but more is needed.
So here's what I want you to tell me. That parent listening, watching this video now, they have a daughter
Yep.
that fits your age group. Why,
Yeah.
of all the academies in this area, they should come and join yours?
I mean, obviously we do a really good job here of developing girls. We've got girls from age 5 through to U13, so 12 and 13. We've got a really good bunch of girls here that are all learning the right way. As they say, the most important thing for the girls right now is to be out there and enjoying themselves, and we offer that as a club.
And finally, do they play in competition, or is it just for recreation?
Oh no, we have that's our girls competitive team over there. We have a U10, U9, U8, U11, U12, U13 teams, and they play other clubs from around the area. They go down as far as Miami. So no, it's very competitive. The girls soccer around here is very strong.
All right, thank you so much, Iain. All the best, and I hope when I finish talking to you, you'll show me the next one who will break into the US team, maybe the under-17s or.
Well, we might have a Jamaican. We might have a Jamaican. Yeah. She's not here today. She's on a cruise, but we've got a little superstar that's Jamaican. Yeah, Michaela. Take that name down.
Michaela.
Yeah.
All right, we need to remember that name. She could be one for the Jamaica national
Definitely.
team in the near future. Thank you so much, Iain. Continue to do the great work out here in Port St. Lucie with MAKO Soccer Club.
Thank you.